In this problem, we know two side measures, but we're trying to find the angle. So this is the angle we want to find right here. And so 52 is the hypotenuse. And we also know 27, which is opposite from our angle. So we have opposite and we have hypotenuse. And that is sine, because sine theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. So sine of some angle theta is the opposite, which is 27, over the hypotenuse, which is 52. So to solve this problem with our calculator, we're going to have to use the inverse. Because, remember the inverse, we know sine of x equals y, but what we don't know is what x is. So in order to find that, to use the inverse, you're basically, remember, switching x and y, like we did in the table and in our equations before. And when we switch x and y, we have created the inverse. So that's what we're going to do here. Sine inverse 27 over 52, and that will give us our theta. Okay, so look at that. Sine, we switch x and y to find theta. Again, we should be in degrees right now. So in degree mode, when we type in this into our calculator, sine inverse is right above sine on your calculator. So you're just going to type in sine inverse of that, and you should get theta equals 31.3 degrees. So this angle is a 31.3 degree angle.